welcome back again to Time with Josie. As you all know, I'm your girl Cynthia. How you all doing? I hope you're staying safe and fine. Yes, you already know what today's video is all about. Like the title, join me to welcome my new baby into my life. Yes, before I introduce my new beautiful baby to you all, if this is your first time of coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Hit on the subscribe button, like this video, do not forget to share and drop your comment. Most especially, do not forget to hit on the bell notification icon so that you, yes I mean you, will be alert whenever I drop my video. So without wasting much time, I'm so excited to show you all my new baby. Let's get right into the video. My baby, this is my baby, my new baby. I'm sorry to disappoint you all guys. I know you all will be expecting to see something different, like a cry of a baby or new baby wrapped or cuddle. No. This is my baby. Yes, it's the new addition into my kitchen. Yes, this is going to do a lot for me, so that's why I say it's my new baby. The video now is going to concentrate on my baby. Yes. I'm sorry, I don't want to be like, I was expecting to see a baby. No, sorry, this is also my baby. The video is going to concentrate on this. This is the Kenwood extra large chef, extra large elite. Okay, this is going to do a lot, and we're going to try it out. So I'm going to do review, so I think I should concentrate the camera to this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to the end of this video. Please support your girl grow our channel, guys. So let's get started.
Alright, this is it. This is the Kenwood Chef XL Elite Kitchen Machine. It's the KVL 6100S Discover Better Baking. So I'm just going to go ahead and open. So this is the hook paddle for the mixer. Yeah. And this is the Kenwood K-Bitter. The K stands for Kenwood, so this is the K-Bitter. It's normally called K-Bitter. That's why I hear So I'm just going to open the cover. So this is the cover attachment. In case you're mixing, you don't want it to spill out, or you don't want to make a mess in your kitchen. And this is the open space where you can easily put in additional ingredients as you bake or bakes, whatever ingredients you're doing. And this is the magazine and the manual. It came with silicone spatula. Okay, and this is the manual, which you can use to check, to do whatever you seem not to understand. And this is the magazine. It has the picture of other attachments you can get individual for your mixer, because it has a space where you can use your meat mixer, your blender. So that is it, food processor and all. It has a lot of other attachments you can just buy for this mixer. So I'm just going to open. We're just going to open. So this is it. It's so beautiful. Actually, I wanted the green, but this is still okay. It has a 6-speed button, or I don't know what's called. So it has the pause, speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6, and from what I've seen so far, I think it's going to be very good. So we're going to try it. I'm going to also mix. I have a cake I want to mix, so I'm going to try it also. I'm going to see it together. So there's a button there. When it's on, the lights will definitely come on. I love that. So this is it. So this is the plug for it. So I'm just going to try to open. You just press that down and voila, this is it. I love the whisk. The whisk attachment is so big, and I think it's going to do a lot. I'm going to enjoy making ice cream with these. Check this out. It's all steel. It's so beautiful, really. It's far bigger than my old mixer, though that did its work. He has tried, so I don't know what happened. I just needed a bigger one, and this bowl was actually what I wanted, and so this is it. This is the bowl. It's so beautiful. I love the steel, so shiny, and so this is it. It's big. I think it will do a lot for me. Instead of mixing in batches, it can all just go into this bowl. So this is it, and I'm just going to make some comparison with my old mixer. So before that, I'm just going to show us some space for other attachment, like the meat mixer I told you about. So this is it. This is the space for that, and I think you can use this for, I don't know, other, but it has other attachments that you can use. I really know the meat mixer. Okay, so that's for that, and this is for your blender and the food processor. Okay, you can use this part for it. Okay, now so let's go to making some comparison with this one and my old mixer. So this is the bowl for my old mixer. You can see the difference is clear. This right here, the Kenwood, is far bigger than that of my old mixer. I think that is 4 liters, so this is 6 point something. Okay, I think 6.7 liters or 6 liters. So I didn't really check, but I know it's bigger. So this is it, and it's worked for some time, but I think there are some capacity that this cannot carry. That I think this Kenwood would do just fine when mixing. So let's move forward to checking out some of the attachments that came with this. So first, I'm going to start with the K-Bitter and the other, I don't want to say the name of the other product. So this is, you can see the sizes. This is really big and that is small. That's also good if you want to make small quantity, but this can make large quantity. So that's the difference, and the steel is quite different from that. I think that other one is casted iron, I don't know, but this is steel and it's beautiful. So this is the hook attachment, the dough hook attachment. You can see the sizes, just check it out. This is far bigger than my other one. My other one can't really can't work for bread dough. It struggles a lot, and I think if I keep using it, it will really affect the mixer. So let's see how well the Kenwood will work for us. So the next attachment I'm going to check is the whisk attachment. As I said before, I love this Kenwood whisk attachment, and this is for my my old mixer. You can see we keep going higher. We needed a bigger one, so yeah, it goes. And I know I can't wait to start using this one to make ice cream or make whipping cream, to see how it's going to come out, my buttercream and every other thing. As a baker, want something bigger and better and faster and easier. So Kenwood, I hope you come true for me. So like I told you, I ordered it online and it came with the 1-year warranty delivered to me at my doorstep. So it came with a 1-year warranty, and this is the paper for it. This is the warranty paper for 1 year. Okay, so this is I think this is the label: Kenwood Chef XL Elite It is 1400 wax. Okay, I said it, 6.7 liters, and it has 20 plus other attachments you can buy and enjoy using this product. Man, I can't wait to start using every other attachment. So I'm just going to try out now to mix my butter and sugar to see how it works. So that's the light indicator I told you. Just keep blinking. I'm so happy for this, really, because I know how it gets when you start mixing your cake batter in batches and it takes time. So this will save you a lot of time, and it's very, very affordable. It's not that expensive. As big as it is, it's not that expensive. So I'm just going to put in my butter and sugar, then we'll start mixing. Okay, so I'm going to add in some sugar, then fix in the K-Bitter and start. This is it.
So I just kept increasing the speed like that until I get to the highest speed. And the most amazing thing is that the mixer was still sturdy. It was still at the same spot, but my other one, once it starts mixing as much batter as this, it will start moving around like dancing. So this is very, very, very good, and I really enjoyed it. So this is the third speed now, so I kept on increasing it until I got to the max. So after 6 you get to, after 5 you get to the max, which is the 6. So that is it, and it's really good. I really, really, really enjoyed my first mixing, and it went all smooth. I never expected it to be like this. Yeah, so let's see when I want to make bread and see. So at some point I just put in the lid, the cover, to see how it is. Then when you want to add other ingredients, it went on so well. So this is me just placing the lid to see how it works. So this is the opening of the lid where you can add other ingredients like your egg as you continue mixing or baking. So this is it. Then I just increase the speed, so that's number 5 now. So, and you can see it's really, really fast, the speed. Yeah, so this is everything they say about it is so true. So just try this product out if you can get the KitchenAid, which is my next target. Okay, so this is very good, very, very good. So when I get the KitchenAid, I think I'm going to do comparison of both. So this is it, and I use this to make some beautiful, beautiful cakes for my clients. Okay, thank you all for staying to the end of this video. Thank you for reviewing this with me. See you all on my next video. Bye bye.